The aim of today's lesson is how to select the right keyword so that we can find the quality research paper within our domain. In earlier lecture, we focused on giving the uh, right keyword using quotation, then boolean operations, then boolean operations such as or and. Okay, in today's lesson, I will show you another way of finding the more journal papers within the given respective research domains. So let's see this. Let's find that. Let me remove this keyword and let's keep this keyword as suppose yeah, we can keep this word. Even we can remove this also, no problem. I will show you exactly what I'm trying to explain, the importance of selecting the right keyword. Yeah, here we have used similar kind of keywords for additive manufacturing. We can also call it as 3D printing. So in today's lecture, I will show you one more method, so that uh, we can get quality and specific papers. Okay, for suppose what I am trying to say here, we can use additive manufacturing na. Actually manufacturing is a verb na. Generally, suppose if I write additive manufacture, suppose we can remove this as well. Let's see, additive manufacturing and star. Okay, additive manufacture and star. So first see additive manufacturing, how many documents we are able to see. Additive manufacturing, see this time the documents got reduced from 1 lakh na, because we have removed the 3D printing keyword. So that's why it is very important to try to use as much as synonyms or similar keywords, technical keywords. So yeah, let's move on. Yeah, for additive manufacturing we have 96,872 documents. Let's see, if we change this keyword as additive manufacture, what is going to happen? Hmm? This time the journals, the documents got reduced, isn't it? Why? Let's see what exactly, yeah, how exactly it is considered. Additive manufactured, it means earlier we use manufacturing, this time it is considered additive manufactured also. Okay, and yeah, additive manufactured. I think we can remove E also, I hope. And let's see what is going to happen. Yeah, 99,000 zero. It means now this time it considered ing also, isn't it? Additive manufacturing. Here, if you see additive manufacturing only, everywhere additive manufacturing. Earlier we have seen additive manufacture also, isn't it? So this is how one can find more papers, more similar kind of papers with respect to given keyword. So it is very important to select the and give the right way and right keywords. That is what I am trying to highlight here. If you 99,000 na, earlier for additive manufacturing, how much do we have? 96,000 now, 96,000. But after giving additive manufacture 99,000, it means further the journals increase 3,000. So this is how one can give and select the right keyword, so that we can get right and quality research paper. I hope you understand. So in this series we have learned how to select the specific keyword and the right way of giving those keywords to find the right and quality research paper within our domain. So where we have given the quotation, the keyword is quoted, and we also use the boolean operation, and we used star. So this is how one can find. I will show you one more example also. Suppose 3D print, 3D printing, isn't it? 3D printing. Let's see how many documents we have got. Total 1 lakh 2,448, isn't it? If suppose if I give star here, then what is going to happen? Let's see. 1,58,000. See, total for 56,000 documents. 56,000 documents got increased, isn't it? So there is a huge difference. Huge, not only small. It is a huge difference. So keyword has a much more effect on finding the right research articles. So I suggest you go through the some quality papers. I will show you in later lectures how to exactly find the quality papers, means from top journals like Nature, Advanced Materials, Material Today, and there are some quality journals. So I will show you, and you can use. You can go through those papers and try to read more papers and focus on the keywords in your domain, and try to use their synonyms to before finding the any quality journal papers. I hope with this you guys understood. So please let me know if you have any comments or if you don't understand anything. So please let me know in comments box. So I will explain you as soon as possible. So with this, I'm closing. Thank you.